Hello and welcome to this overview video on using NewsWhip AI Agents for ongoing topics or brand monitoring. AI agents are perfect for this use case as they are built to handle continuous monitoring. Think of them as your always-on teammate who quietly keeps an eye on things, alerting you when only something important happens. Let's take a look at how to set up an agent. First, I have chosen this general search on tariffs. I have utilised our recent keyword blocks feature for consistency and convenience, since it was such a frequent ongoing topic recently. From your chosen NewsWhip dashboard, click the Alerts and Agents button in the top toolbar, then select Create New. Choose Monitoring Agent, and then select the Ongoing Topic or Brand option. Here, you'll see a few text fields and options. These will help the agent accurately determine if a change in interest is relevant to you. The fields, what's this search about, and your company or team will be pre-populated for convenience, but do require some consideration as they will be used by the agent to refine what they investigate. What's this search about is taken from your search name. Your company or team is taken from your account. Mine will obviously need changed. Basically, the agent will look at this topic, say Trump's tariffs, and then see how they might relate to your company or brand, such as Tesla, which I'll change it to. By default, the agent will monitor surges in public interest for this search. However, you can also choose to be notified if any priority publishers have covered a story. These utilise our recent source blocks feature that allows for a filtered list of sources you care about the most. Keep in mind that a longer list might lead to a higher frequency of alerts sent. You can also adjust sensitivity. Higher means more alerts, while lower keeps notifications limited to significant changes only. We recommend you start with the default settings and adjust as you go. And, of course, you can add many recipients with a message. Again, we suggest you adjust these additions as your confidence in using the agents grows. I set this agent up yesterday with high sensitivity and included a priority published source list to quickly catch important stories. Here we can see some of the initial agent alerts in relation to news articles. No change in interest has been significant enough to trigger an alert, but here is the result of a similar agent I set up to monitor Ford a week or two ago when threats of tariffs were back on the menu. An agent can also be set up for general brand monitoring. I also set up an agent just for Heineken alone. Similarly, I set it for high sensitivity, meaning the agent proactively notified us about any articles gaining some traction, such as this one about Sopron beer in Hungary, and coverage of a share buyback. Both topics were ultimately of minor interest, but provided us with essential context and helped us stay ahead. Some days may be quiet, like today, but the key value is that when something important emerges, you'll immediately know about it. There are some instances when our existing features might be preferred. For example, it might be best to set up an AI digest about a general cryptocurrency search, therefore receiving a reflective summary of the last week's news. Or setting up a real-time alert when you want to be notified of every single mention of your brand. But NewsWhip's AI agents are ideal for this kind of monitoring. Set it once, trust the always-on agent, and receive structured alerts with context only when it matters. And, if a live issue does arise, we can create a new agent to monitor it further. Thanks for watching.